We're about a month away from Samsung officially revealing the Galaxy S24 series, but you don't need to wait for the announcement to learn about the new flagship phones. Leakster Evan Blass, who often shares tech information, posted a picture on Twitter that shows when the Galaxy S24 will be revealed. According to this picture, the next big Galaxy event will happen on January 18, 2024 at 3 o'clock a.m. This is when Samsung plans to introduce its new phones. The image also mentions Galaxy AI is coming, hinting at new smart features with artificial intelligence for the Galaxy S24 series. The picture has some sparkle emojis that are similar to those used by Google Bard, suggesting that Galaxy S24 might have features similar to Google Bard. Leak images showed all the different colors of the Galaxy S24, Galaxy S24 Plus, and Galaxy S24 Ultra. Also, the identification numbers from the versions of the Galaxy S24, Galaxy S24 Plus, and Galaxy S24 Ultra that are tied to specific phone carriers and the ones that are not linked to any carrier were found on AT&T's website. You can see them in the picture. The Galaxy S24 series is likely to focus a lot on AI. These phones will use either the Exynos 2400 or the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, both of which can do AI processing right on the device. This means the Galaxy S24 phones might have some cool AI features. For example, they could translate languages in real time during phone calls, turn spoken words into text for up to 10 people in voice recordings, convert and summarize text in Samsung Notes, image expansion, wallpaper generation, and more. Evan Blass also shared the official specifications for the Galaxy S24 series. Standard Galaxy S24 will come equipped with a 6.2-inch, 120Hz dynamic AMOLED display boasting a resolution of 2340 by 1080. It will make use of Samsung's latest M13 OLED panels, shielded by Gorilla Glass Victus 2 and reinforced with Aluminium 2.0 for added durability. For selfies, there's a 12-megapixel punch-hole front camera. Turning to the back, the phone features a 50-megapixel primary camera, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens, and a 10-megapixel telephoto lens. In the USA and South Korea, it will be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, while the European variants will run on the Exynos 2400. The device offers 8 GB of RAM and storage choices of 128 GB or 256 GB, using UFS 4.1 technology. The Galaxy S24 houses a 4,000 mAh battery supporting 25-watt fast charging. Connectivity options include 5G support, Bluetooth 5.3, and Wi-Fi 7. Operating on One UI 6 based on Android 14, the phone is expected to be released in February 2024 with an estimated price range of $850 to $900. Introducing the Galaxy S24 Plus, featuring an impressive 6.7-inch 120Hz dynamic AMOLED display. It showcases an upgraded Quad HD Plus resolution of 3120 by 1440, incorporating Samsung's advanced M13 OLED panel, safeguarded by Gorilla Glass Victus 2 and reinforced with Aluminium 2.0 for added durability. For selfies, a 12-megapixel punch-hole camera takes the spotlight. On the back, you'll find a powerful camera setup with a 50-megapixel primary lens, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens, and a 10-megapixel telephoto lens. In the USA and South Korea, it's equipped with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, while European models run on the Exynos 2400. The phone offers a substantial 12 gigs of RAM and storage choices of 256 gigs or 512 gigs, utilizing UFS 4.1 technology. The Galaxy S24 Plus features a robust 4,900 mAh battery supporting 45-watt fast charging. Connectivity options include 5G support, Bluetooth 5.3, and Wi-Fi 7. Running on One UI 6 based on Android 14, the expected price for this device is around $1,050. Now let's explore the flagship of the lineup, the Galaxy S24 Ultra. Introducing the Galaxy S24 Ultra, showcasing a generous 6.8-inch 120Hz dynamic AMOLED display with a crisp resolution of 3088 by 1440. It incorporates Samsung's advanced M13 OLED panel, safeguarded by the durable Gorilla Glass Victus 2. For capturing stunning selfies, there's a 12-megapixel punch-hole camera. On the back, the phone features an outstanding camera setup, including a 200-megapixel primary lens, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens, a 50-megapixel 3x telephoto lens, and a 10-megapixel telephoto lens with an impressive 10x optical zoom. Contrary to earlier rumors, it is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 across all regions, distinguishing it from the S24 and S24 Plus, which stick with the Exynos. The S24 Ultra offers a substantial 12 gigabytes of RAM with storage choices of 256 gigabytes or 512 gigabytes, leveraging US 4.1 technology. The Galaxy S24 Ultra houses a robust 5,000 mAh battery supporting swift 45-watt fast charging. Connectivity features encompass 5G support, Bluetooth 5.3, and Wi-Fi 7. Operating on One UI 6 based on Android 14, this premium device is anticipated to launch with an approximate price tag of $1,250. So overall, the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra introduces a fresh design with enhanced durability and a significantly brighter display. With upgraded hardware and numerous new AI features, the inclusion of the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 in all Ultra models appears to be a smart move by Samsung. The overall improvements across the entire lineup suggest that these phones are poised for success. While the similarities to the predecessor might not entice S23 Ultra owners to rush for an upgrade, the S24 series is an excellent choice for those with older S phones or those considering their first S phone. As per information from Tipster Ice Universe, the Galaxy S24 Ultra comes with an enhanced night mode aiming to elevate the overall image quality. Although the Galaxy S23 Ultra performs well, it falls short in specific low-light scenarios. Instances of excessive noise in dark sky areas during low-light scenes and slightly over-sharpened details are areas for improvement. Should the Galaxy S24 Ultra address these concerns, it has the potential to rank among the finest smartphone cameras globally. The tipster also claimed that the phone uses AI to identify 12 different kinds of subjects/objects and optimize them for better image quality in 200-megapixel resolution. There is no detailed information about exactly what kind of optimizations that phone will perform, but it is possible that it can identify objects and process their color, details, and dynamic range differently. Also, a new leak reveals impressive Galaxy S24 Ultra camera module. People who like and dislike Samsung are eagerly waiting for the Galaxy S24 Ultra, the new top-tier Android phone from the company in 2024. Some early leaks have given us a glimpse of the improvements it will bring. As we get closer to the official launch in January, more leaks are surfacing. A recent one shows the camera module of the Galaxy S24 Ultra possibly leaked from a factory making the new phones. The leaked specs indicate a powerful camera setup with a 200-megapixel main sensor, a 12-megapixel wide-angle lens, a 10-megapixel telephoto lens, and a 50-megapixel zoom sensor offering 2x, 3x, 5x, and 10x optical zoom. This phone is expected to be Samsung's camera flagship for the year, surpassing even their foldable devices in camera capabilities. And I'll continue to share them as soon as they become available. Share your opinions in the comments below, and I'll catch you in the next update. Until next time, peace out.